I'm Adam Del Conte. I'm with Midwest Express Clinic, and you're watching Ask the Expert. So, it's April already, but it's important to take a break and remember that March was National Nutrition Month. And while we might not have been able to talk about it then, it's important to reflect on what exactly is necessary for a healthy diet, a healthy lifestyle to help optimize your nutrition for longevity and health and activity across the entirety of your life. When people think about lifestyle and nutrition, the two main things that come to mind are how do I eat and what kind of activity should I be doing to maintain health and just stay active. Some people ask, is it more important my diet and what I'm choosing to eat, or is it more important how frequently I exercise, what kind of exercise I do? And the answer is a resounding yes. It's got to be both. When it comes to thinking about what is nutritious, what is the best thing I should be eating, our diets, our food, how we relate to food is a super complex thing. It's related to our family history, our socioeconomic status, our cultural history, and it's not just as simple as good food, bad food. A lot of people will maybe bring in shame or have feelings of guilt around food. And I want to encourage you to just forget about that and focus on making the changes you can do to support yourself being healthy. But if we break it down into the smaller bits and pieces, the big things are you have to have fat, you have to have sugars or carbohydrates, and you have to have protein. And where you get those and the ratios you get them in kind of are what makes the difference. When it comes to exercise, a lot of people ask, how much is the right amount for me? The general breakdown that we have is about 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise a week. So you can break that down any way you please. If you're doing just some kind of moderate exercise like some low weight weightlifting, you can do 150 minutes in a single day. You can do 30 minutes 5 days a week. But you want to aim for that goal of about 150 minutes weekly of that increased heart rate. At the end of the day, if you're uncertain about how your nutritional status is going or how you're doing with your diet and exercise, you can always stop by and see one of your healthcare professionals, whether that be a primary care provider, or if you have access to a nutritionist or dietitian, or would like to speak with your primary care provider about getting into one. I definitely would recommend the value of a trained nutritionist. They can work out the smaller details and strategies to help you succeed in creating the best health possible. If you happen to be located in an area where there's not as many options for fresh food, produce, or other options for food variety, you can definitely check out some additional resources. Two that I think are particularly helpful and interesting are the National Food Preservation Society and the American Community Garden Association Directory. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam Del Conte, and for more information about our clinic, Midwest Express Clinic, and the services we offer, you can check us out at midwestexpressclinic.com.